I'm back. I went this week to do the targets for the peace bombing and found out I couldn't do number 2. I was pleasantly surprised to be target number 2 of the peace bombings, and I wanted to thank everybody for that. I really appreciate that. Also, it's been kind of muggy out here the last couple days. We've had to run the air conditioner, but it's sunny, it's beautiful, it's just muggy, really muggy. Well, I've been filming the birds and watching them, and Brian thought I was crazy because I climbed up on the truck. Because we don't have a ladder, so it was the next best thing. It got me right up to him though. So I filmed a little bit of inside the nest as close as I could get, and I also had to go back inside the house and close the door and wait a few minutes for the mama to come back, because of course they ain't gonna stay there with you. So it's a little lengthy of a clip, but it's pretty cool to watch if you like bird watching, so, which I do.
Okay, I got up on this truck, and as you can see, there is one in there. This is all I seem to be able to get a view of without touching it. There may be a couple more in there. Okay, so far there's, what do we see, 2 in there? 2 so far. Okay. Okay, I had to wait till she came back in because obviously they fly away from us. But there she is. I have to do it through the door too, because if I open the door, she'll fly away too. She might lay down in there. I don't know. She knows I'm watching it, look. Oh, the daddy one must have come back. Oh. They're circling around out here. There she goes. There you have it for now. Pretty cool.
Well, that's all I've got for this week. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I appreciate being target number 2 of the peace bombings. I appreciate that. So, if you want, subscribe to my channel, friend me, that'd be great. Leave a comment down below, that'd be wonderful. Until then, blessed be.